Once again.
Welcome to day 15 of our house renovation. This morning I went and picked up this 1x6. It's actually 3/4 of an inch thick by 5.5 inches wide. And I'm gonna do is gonna rip this down to 4.5 inches so that it fits inside of a door like that. It's gonna go over there. That board is no problem. I can rip that down after I put the header in and take the wall out and for the inside of the door frame. But the problem is this old 1953 fucking trim. If you look at it, it's got like an extra fucking line in it. It's also 2.5 inches wide. The other shit, the closest thing I can get to it doesn't have this line in it, and it's 2.25 inches wide. So it's not going to exactly match what's up here. It's going to be when you stand back away from it, you're going to have two different kinds of trim. So either I'm going to end up using that trim, or I may end up having to I can go steal some of the old trim from the closets and shit like that and piece it together, or I can fucking use the new trim if it doesn't look much different. It's hard to say, what I'm going to do when I just got to think about it and make a decision on that. Thing is that it was made by wood crafters. It's a yellow pine, and they merged with custom, so it's like a 2-week delay, and they'd have to custom make it. So it would fucking run those boards up to be kind of pricey probably. Plus I'd have to wait for it. Plus I went back today and got some fucking more short nails so I can put some more wainscoting up. Monday is the day that I have set to fucking tear this fucking wall down and put this header in. Right there. We'll go ahead on, since I got my nails and my adhesive, and put some more wainscoting up in here. I'll probably hold off on that piece. But I'm definitely going to go ahead on and put that piece on it and make the one that goes over there. And then I may end up switching a couple of lights, or we may end up working on doors. It's hard to say what we're going to do. It's Friday. I just got here. Been gone all morning doing a big ass estimate and reprogramming some lock codes on the key code locks that we put in a commercial building. So we didn't get here till 12 o'clock. It's not that much is going to get done today in 4.5 hours that I'm going to be here. But that's a big estimate. That's fucking 3 months of work for the wintertime inside and the heat. Out of the snow and ice and cold. We did that bottom downstairs of that building last winter. It took almost 4 months. And starting in January, we'll be doing the upstairs, 4 guest rooms, a hallway, and an exercise room. It's a pretty good little gig for the wintertime. Meanwhile, because I'm stuck over in this house, I got work building up. Because some people, one guy's been waiting since last summer. So, and new customers are calling that I've not met yet. And I'm having to tell them that we got a delay. And they're willing to wait because they come in as a recommendation from their neighbors and stuff. So it's a good thing they're understanding about it. So by the time we finish this and get out of here and actually get back out, we're going to be jumping all around doing all kinds of shit and trying to cram it all in before the end of the year, before we start that next commercial renovation job. So that's where we're at so far today on Friday, day 15. Right now we're at the end of day 15. It's Friday. Weekend is here. We're going to get all this shit and get the fuck out of here. But anyway, patch that hole today. Fucking lay that where this shit's going to be. It's gonna that's where we're going to fucking take the wall out right there. So all that's going to be open. We're going to cut the sheetrock for that. You got the casing and the trim put inside the door frame and that fucking door trim around that hole. These pieces are cut like that. That piece is cut. This is all fucking laid out where I'm gonna fucking go ahead on and cut that fucking 2x4 right there. Got all that shit out here, and I'll put a couple of more 2x4s in. So you're gonna have 1, 2, 3 sitting under the header on both sides. Then pretty much we didn't do nothing in here. Some doors went on. Well, we weren't here that long today. And yeah, I was at estimating commercial work this morning. So you get here till like 12. But that door's on. Got one door on. This door right here is on. See if I can, more solid hinges and shit like that. So you got that. That's one of your doors going to your bedroom. Here we go. You got another door like that. Then in here, these fucking sliding closet doors up. Got that up today. Slides like that. See? Got your shitter in the toilet in the closet. Close that motherfucker right there. All the power's off in this bitch. I'm not gonna put a lot of time into finishing this video because it's time for a cold beer and hit the fucking road. Oh yeah, I got this door on. So some of the doors got put on today. Look where the motherfucker that lived in here shot the wall with BBs and shit. Look at that. They can fucking fix all them little BB holes every fucking where. Yeah. Wow. So that's where we're at today. We got some more material out here. Some more trim. We decided that we're not going to fucking pull the old fucking 2.5 inch trim out of the closets to go around this opening. The guy that owns the house is good with this fucking 2.25 inch trim with the one left line. He said ain't nobody going to notice it. So if he's good with it, I'm good with it. I can't see it in my house. I can't see it from my house. So if he's happy, I'm happy. Anyway, Monday morning, we're coming in here Monday morning. We're going to fucking build a fucking wall across here. Another one on the other side to support that shit. In here, and then we're going to fucking tear all them studs down. We're going to sit that fucking header, trim the door out and every fucking thing. If we have enough time, we get to that point, we're going to fucking pull up the fucking bottom board off the floor and that fucking hardwood floor there to go in that hole and shit. Gonna go ahead on down, lock all this shit up, and hit the trail. So if you like this video, subscribe to Get Go TV, and hit the like button, hit the little notification bell so you know when we upload another video, and watch some of the other 200 or 300, almost probably over 300 videos now that we've got on how to do shit, reviews and whatnot. And everybody have a good, safe weekend. Don't get too fucked up. And we'll see you on Monday on day 16 of our house renovation.